250cc. They've lost the key, and on this has the ignition, has the gas cap, and has the compartment, seatbelt for seat compartment. Now the interesting thing with this is we're going to use the AccuReader. Never impression these. These are the opposing wafers. So normally we would use the AccuReader on the ignition. The ignition is extremely sloppy for some reason. So we're going to do the gas cap, and then we'll do the fill. So we'll get the gas cap. It will also fit that right away, the compartment lock. And then we're going to use a fill. We use a fill program and make a key to the ignition. We're going to use the AccuReader to read it. Great tool. And the key on this one will be the KA33, code KA33. This is the FastFacts book. It tells us exactly, Ninja 250. Gives us the key, the codes, the cuts, the depths. So really good, and we use that with the Blackhawk online when we get the key depths, and then we do the fill. This is perfect.
So you put the slide tool in here so that it doesn't trap wafers too soon. So you put it down, put it all the way in. Okay, you move it, shake it so that you release the wafer goes into that slot. Then you start measuring. So you start with a 3, and you see the 3 lines up with the N, the no. Put the 2 in, the 2 lines up with the N, the no. So you know that depth is a 1. So then you put in your slide tool, you move it up 1 wafer, you lock it in. Then you start with your 3 again. 3 is no, the 2 is no, so you've got another 1. And you just move it up a wafer every time. You always give it a shake to seat the wafer. You go 3, it's not a 3. This one's a 2. So the 2 lines up with the Y, the yes. Next one, again you lock the wafer, you trap the wafer, you give it a shake. And this one, depth is a 3. So you got 3, 2, 1, 1 so far. Move it up 1 more. I don't know if it moved there. I'll tell you in a second. Not yet did. So it's not a 3. It's a 2. So you got 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. So it's not a 3. It's not a 2. So you got 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. So you got 6 wafers in this keyway.
We got 6 wafers in the gas cap. We have 6 wafers in the compartment, and we have 8 wafers in the ignition. We're having a hard time getting a read on this particular ignition, so we use the Blackhawk. It's an online program, and we'll just fill. And actually with this code it comes up with 5 potential keys. Normally the ignitions, this is actually our first time doing the opposing wafers, and we couldn't do the ignition. It was just very sloppy. We found it really easy to read the gas cap lock, and again, that's the AccuReader tool. Absolutely love it, and it's made us some money here.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.